How to change TikTok post after posting. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. So open up your TikTok app. Here we go. Your For You page will appear. Now at the bottom you will find different options. Head towards the option of profile. Over here you will find the video that you have just uploaded. So open that video. After you open the video, at the right corner you will find different options. Tap on these three dots. Now at the bottom you will find different options. Using these options you can edit your video. Firstly, you can just pin this video to your profile. Likewise, you can turn off captions for the video. You can do the duet or stitch it. Likewise, you can edit tag people on this video. If you have just tag wrong person in the video, you can just edit that. Likewise, you can tap on this option of edit post. From here you can easily add some hashtags, mentions, and tap on save. Likewise, you can tap on this option of privacy settings, and from here you can just edit who can watch this video. You can set it to friends and only me as well. Also, you can change this video to live photo. You can tap on this option of live photo if you want to do that. Also, you can just share this video as GIF. If you want to do that, you have to tap on this option. This is how you can edit TikTok video after posting it. There are not many things that you can edit, but these are the things that you can change in your TikTok after posting it. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.